Leaves are just another common problem for Blacksburg residents to deal with during this season. As leaves continue to fall from the trees and into yards across the community, residents have the option of pushing all of those leaves into a nearby public road. There, a Blacksburg leaf collection truck can come by and get these pesky leaves to leave you alone.
They do it at least 3 times every fall. So they try to catch you in the leaf falling process so that you're not trying to get all of your leaves to the curb at one time, because as you've noticed around here, there are a lot of big trees.
Residents have until the week of December 7th to push their leaves to a nearby public road to be collected by the leaf collection crews.
It's about that time of year where leaves dominate the cold grounds of Blacksburg, Virginia, as trees shed their last leaves of the season. Blacksburg leaf pickup crews come save the day.
These leaf heroes visit several neighborhoods in the 4 quadrants that make up the Blacksburg community. Each quadrant has a scheduled curbside collection service. More information about the schedule can be viewed on blacksburg.gov's website.
The nice thing about the trucks is they make, a difficult situation a lot easier. It saves me so much time that I can just rake them all up into one pile, put them right on the side of the road, and the trucks come by and do the rest of the work for me.
Reporting from Virginia Tech, I'm Mason Gorilla.